Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. Update video on my OnePlus 9 Pro. I am shooting this video with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and Ultra Wide, so you can let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. As far as the OnePlus 9 Pro, after 5 days, having a really fun time with this device. It's a solid device. Aesthetically, it's just a good looking, sexy device. Really, really solid. No creaks, no squeaks. Love the camera design. And so far, these cameras are killing it. Just killing it. Taking lots of great pics, shooting lots of video. Got some videos up. You can go check them out. But I'm going to tell you something, man. This display is phenomenal. It's almost as if I'm watching 4K video on this display. Phenomenal. The speakers, amazing. Now, as a phone, everything working the way it should. Phone calls going out, coming in, texting going out, coming in. So connectivity, whether I'm in the home utilizing Wi-Fi or out and about utilizing my data, everything working the way it should. It is a very smooth device when it comes to performance. I've had no hiccups. None of that has happened to me whatsoever. Now, the overheating issue, let me get to that really quick. My OnePlus 9 Pro does get a little warm when shooting 4K video or 8K video. That has happened. A little warm. But nothing to where I need to be concerned about or share with all of you that has been happening to me as far as my experience with this device. You can share with me if you're having issues or if you're not having issues. It's been sort of a 50-50 thing with a lot of you responding to my videos. Hopefully, OnePlus is aware of all this. Obviously, there's the OnePlus community, so I'm sure that they're keeping tabs on that and that they can come out with a fix. Anyway, outside of that, the one annoying area on my OnePlus 9 Pro, and I do not know if it's the same for the OnePlus 9, but you can let me know down below in the comment section, is in the camera app. When in the camera app and you go over to video, right up here, these three dots, it's your video settings. Frame rate. You got 30 frames, 60 frames, 120 frames per second resolution, 1080p, 4K, 8K, aspect ratio, 16:9, 21:9. And it is here that you're going to choose the different options here in how you want to shoot your video. Now, the annoying part about this is, let's just say I wanted to shoot 4K video and I tap on 4K. That page closes out. I didn't even have a chance to go over to hit the 30 frames per second. So then I have to open up that page again, There's 30 frames per second, and then it closes back out again. So here I go again, tapping on those 3 dots because I changed my mind. I want to do 60 frames per second. Get where I'm going with this? This area here should stay open until I'm done deciding on what I want to choose for the type of video that I want to shoot, with what frame rate I want, resolution, and aspect ratio. But instead, it closes out every single time I tap on one of these options. But yeah, it should stay open until I'm done, and then I should be able to tap on that X and close that out and then start shooting my video. Hopefully this is something that OnePlus can fix. Maybe they did this on purpose. I don't know, but that's pretty annoying to me. But if I'm overreacting, you can let me know down below in the comment section. But outside of that, I don't have any other annoyances. Again, this device is a sexy, bold-looking device. It's a very solid device, beautiful display, great sounding speakers. The audio quality is just amazing. As a phone, it's working great. The other area that I really dig is not just the alert slider over here, but it's the power button on the right-hand side and the volume rocker on the left-hand side. I love that they separated these two areas. I can just hit power right here, tap, bam, lightning fast fingerprint reader, and I got my volume rocker over here. I would like to see this more on a lot of smartphones. I mean, it's not a deal breaker to have the power button over here and the volume rocker down here, or the volume rocker up here and the power button down here, however they switch those around. But I like the separation factor here. To me, that is aesthetically a cool design for me personally. And you let me know if that's something that you like. I do have a couple screenshots as far as the battery life. Here's one. I took it down to 1%. And 19 hours of use, 5 hours, 2 minutes. I was doing a lot this day. I was at work, but you know, during work, we can use our phones from time to time as long as we don't overdo it. And you know, break, lunch, after work. So I was shooting, I think that day I shot an 8K video in the early morning vlog that went up to all of you there in YouTube land. And then in the afternoon, I think I shot a video too. And I was taking pictures. I was watching a little bit of a movie and some YouTube during my lunch, and of course that evening, and then it got down to 1%, 5 hours, 2 minutes. But you know, if I really need to, I can utilize warp charging. 15, 20 minutes, bam, finish out your day. Okay, so let me go to the other screenshot here. Let's see if this is the one. Yeah, right here. 14 hours of use, 6 hours, 53 minutes. Got down to 5%, 14 hours of use since unplugging it when it was fully charged and then plugging it back in. 14 hours, 6 hours, 53 minutes. Almost 7 hours screen on time. I did a lot this day. This was a day off. On and off, just using it all day. But I didn't shoot as much 4K or 8K videos. So some of those videos I share with you, some I just do for myself. So during the reviewing process, yes, a lot of it's for all of you, but a lot of it's for me too. So it looks like if I do need, you know, if I'm going to run it close, it's around dinner time. I only got 5-10% left. I can plug it in for a few minutes, get some battery juice back into my OnePlus 9 Pro, and finish out my day. Because when I lay down in bed, when I know I have to work the next day, I like to watch a little bit of a movie on any of my smartphones. Then I put the phone down, set my alarm, go to sleep, even though I wake up before my alarms. Anyway, so that's basically the 2 screenshots I have. I'm still doing a battery life test. I want to get 2 or 3 more before I really get more of an idea of what the average for me is going to be. That's the last 5 days. That's my last 5 days. And I wasn't even going to make this video, but I decided I had some time, so I wanted to sit down and share that with you now that I actually have the time. So if there's any questions, you can leave that down below. Anyway, folks, it's a long video. I may edit it down a little bit, but 5 days with the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm having a lot of fun with the smartphone. Again, I haven't run into any issues with the overheating to where I need to get a little worried. So far, just a warm touch to the phone when shooting 4K video, 8K video. But if you have any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section, and I will do my best to get back to you in a timely fashion. And thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy. God bless. Peace. I am out.